Why do some people demand respect but never receive it? Why are the loudest often the least believed and the most disciplined silently revered? And why does the world step on weakness but bow to quiet strength? Welcome to StoicCraft, where power is not proclaimed, it is proven. Today, you'll discover 5 things that silently strip you of respect and how to remove them before they ruin your presence forever. 1. Seeking validation. The more you chase approval, the more you confess weakness. People can sense it, the neediness, the nervous laugh, the eagerness to please. It doesn't inspire trust, it invites dismissal. Marcus Aurelius warned us, we love ourselves more than others, yet care more about their opinion than our own. Stop begging to be seen. Move in silence. Act with inner certainty. Respect flows to those who already respect themselves too. Letting emotions control you. A man ruled by his feelings is a man constantly off balance. Anger hijacks his voice. Fear weakens his spine. Doubt steals his direction. Epictetus said, "No, man is free who is not master of himself." Reacting is slavery. Responding is strength. People respect the one who can stay grounded when others explode. He becomes the anchor, unshaken, immovable. 3. Making excuses. Excuses are the language of the powerless. Claire, I have no control here, but a Stoic owns everything, even his failures. Seneca wrote, it is not because things are difficult that we do not dare. It is because we do not dare that they are difficult. Every time you blame, you give away your power. Every time you take responsibility, you take it back. Respect is reserved for those who stand up, even when it's easier to shrink. For choosing comfort over growth. Comfort dulls the blade of potential. The man who stops striving becomes stagnant, and with that, his dignity fades. Marcus Aurelius said, what stands in the way becomes the way. Growth demands discomfort, effort, friction. If you want respect, pursue the hard path. Push yourself into places where others quit and emerge sharper than before. 5. Talking more than you act. A man who talks endlessly about what he will do is already failing. Heraclitus said, character is fate. Words mean nothing without follow-through. Speak less, do more. Let your results be the only explanation you ever give. The world listens when you stop talking and start proving. Respect isn't claimed, it's earned in silence, in discipline, in presence. Remove these 5 habits and you won't need to demand respect. You'll command it without a word. If this lit something inside you, don't just consume, commit. Like this, share it. Subscribe to StoicCraft, where we rebuild men in silence. Stay solid, stay sharp, stay stoic.